Hi, my name is Richard Coulthard. I'm a partner and head of corporate at Dyson Harrison Solicitors. You can be a sole trader. That's where there's one owner of a business who are trading in an unincorporated entity. Another form of legal structure would be a partnership, so that's where there's two or more legal owners of the business, but they don't decide to create a limited company. There is a limited company which can be one or more shareholders in the business, which is then registered at the company's house. And then there's a hybrid of a limited company and a partnership called a limited liability partnership. So the advantage of being a sole trader is that it's a less formal structure. There's no requirement to file documents at the company's house. An advantage of being in a partnership, similar to a sole trader, the structure is less formal. There's perhaps more flexibility than having a limited company. Limited companies offer the benefit that the owners are not typically liable personally for any debts or any liabilities. There's a distinction then between the shareholders as owners of the shares in the business and the company, which is a separate legal structure. So if they are a limited company, then they should have a shareholders agreement in place which documents the relationship between the owners and how that is governed and what steps they can or can't take without the consent of the other shareholders. If it's a partnership, then again, a partnership agreement should be in place because that will deal with matters such as partners' remuneration. What happens if a partner wants to exit the business, or if a partner is unable to work in the business, for instance, due to ill health. It's important, whether it's a partnership agreement or a shareholders agreement, that these are put in place as early as possible into the life of the business. As time goes by, typically circumstances change, and it's important to have them in as early as possible so as to avoid future conflict. Other documents that all businesses should really have in place will be items such as terms and conditions of business, privacy notices to comply with general data protection regulations, and there'll be other documents that are individual to each and every business. If you need more information, please feel free to call on 0113 284 5000.